Okay, you guys ready? Alright, here we go. Welcome to this civil analytical discussion. It is a live lesson from Global Leadership Academy in Jeffreys Bay. We've got a class full of learners. It is the second discussion in this series on civil analytical, and we are helping you out to have a full understanding of civil analytical and what that entails and how to absolutely smack this when you do get this in future exams. Of course, civil analytical is going to be important to study that which is given and to see how that aligns with the questions that's asked. Okay, so let's start off by just zooming in here on what is given to us, because there are one or two new things that we have here. Okay, I'm going to skip those things that's familiar to us. What's added on now is corner heights here. There you can see corner B 1641. That is meters above sea level. Nee, hoogte bo see vlak van hoek A is 1640. Okay, D daar 1642. Goed. Dan het ons weer die bekende dele, kontoerlyne, uitsetmates. Ons het riool hierso. Ons het 'n aangrensende gebou op erf 63. Ons het ons inspeksie oë, ons steek oë. Ons het ons riool wat gaan verbind na die munisipale riool toe. Hierdie munisipale riool kan jy sien is op 'n sypaadjie. So there is an actual a walkway on the outside between the road servitude and the actual fence or the property line. There is another servitude here. Alright. Then they actually give you details here. They say this municipal sewer line is 3 meters deep. Municipale rioolpyp is 3 meter diep. Dis nogals diep, nee. So that was installed when they started setting out the different parts of this land. And then it's covered with paving, plaveisel. And then there's a municipal electrical distribution box that's probably servicing the neighborhood. Nee, municipale elektrische skakelbox hierso. En is 'n municipale water toevoer punt ook aangedui. Municipal water supply on this corner. Alright, it gives some width to the streets. There's some shrubs here, trees to be retained. Bome moet nie uitgehaal word nie. Daar's 'n lapa. Brick paving clearly indicated for us on well compacted fill. And then the new. So that's probably some of the new things that you've seen here for the first time. Oh, sorry about that. And then we have a very complete title block. Civil title block tells you everything you need to know with regards to this project, drawing number, who drew it, the reference code. That's probably going to be internal reference code for them to, within the company. 'n verwysingskode wat binne die maatskappy gebruik word, wie dit geteken, wie dit nagesien, die argitektsfirma. En dan is hier so notas rakende die opmeting, landmeter sertifikaat notas, waar hulle ook vir jouself gee die lengte in meters van die sye en die hoogtes bo seevlak. So the land surveyor details here important. Please make sure you read through that. It gives you the length of every side as well as the heights of the different corners. And then notes here for the contractor to verify all dimensions. It again says what's the project for us and place for the signatures as well as what are the revisions that we have to take note of. Alright, let's see how many of these questions we can quickly answer and talk you through. I want to highlight those that's a bit maybe. Oops, that's wrong. Sorry about that. Now I have to get you. How do I switch this? That's the first time it's happened. Hello. Okay, hold on. Let me get you. Can you switch? Well, daar's die flip camera. Alright, what? Yeah, they're actually seeing. This is bad. Alright, I'm going to say bye. Cheers. Let's continue. Alright, that was awkward. Alright. Someone's going to be like, Mr. Klein, asseblief. Okay. This video might get a lot of thumbs down. Okay, let's go. Alright, what type of drawing is shown? It say, help me out. Kom ons kyk gou vinnig. Julle moet nou vooruit wees. Help me out. Site plan. Alright. What SI unit is used for the dimension? Thank you. It is millimeters. SI eenheid is maar net die standaard eenheid vir afmetings en dit gaan altyd millimeters wees. Never, it will not be the answer millimeters. How many complete stands are shown on this site plan? Only one. Good one. What street runs along the southern boundary? There we go. We've got our north arrow. It's Zebra Street here. What is the stand number of the stand to the west of stand 61? It's this one here, stand 63. Good one. What color must all new buildings be on a site plan? Yes? Red. Thank you. For what purpose has the municipality reserved the stand to the north of the stand? Parkgordel, nee, for a park. Alright. Determine in meters the total length of the stand boundary facing the roads. Okay. Read your question carefully. Determine in meters the total length of the stand boundary facing the road. So there's a stand boundary and there's a stand boundary. Alright. So let's see if we can determine this length here. DC, where will I find that measurement of DC? Well, it says it here, but we can also check it in meters here already. Okay, so we're going to add 37,806, 37.806 plus the entire CD or CB, that's 31.706, and the answer, help me out. Kom mense. 69 point. Right, 512 meters. Who's doing the calculations here? 31.706 plus 37.806. Divided 69.512 meters. Okay, good one. Alright, what is the name of the company that designed the new building? It is Wilmer Architects. You're going to find that here at the bottom. What did I skip? Determine in meters the total length of the front of the erf. Well, this is this part here. No, it's from this point to this point. It's 31.706. So, don't even need to determine it. It says it there. I just have to convert it to meters. Alright, what is the reference code for the drawing that you're going to find here at the bottom? That's a A1B1 May 2012. What is the drawing number? That's also right here at the bottom. That's the 0014. What is the project code? That's the 99 in the title block. What is the scale of this drawing? That's also visible scale 1 to 200. If you can read, you can achieve. On what date was a site plan printed? Printed on the 3rd of, there it says. Okay, again, please, most of these answers you're going to find quite easily. Who was responsible for the printing of the site plan? Printed by XYZ printers. It says it there. What must the contractor do before commencing work on site? That's a common question they ask. Wat moet die kontrakteur doen voordat daar met die werk op die terrein begin word? Wel, hy moet nagaan, nee. Verify all the dimensions, moet die afmetings en hoogtes op die terreinplan nagaan. On what date was the site surveyed? Again here, there you can see surveyed date. How many times has the drawing been revised? 1, 2 times. Alright? So it's not the rocket science at this stage. It's getting there. What was the second revision? The second one was change the driveway for under the oprit bedekking. Determine in meters the difference in height between corner C and corner D. So C is 1641 in meters. D is 1642. So what's the difference in meters? 1 meter. Nee? 1 meter. What is the erf number of the site? Help me out. Who's got the answer? 61. Thank you so much. We're going to find that, of course, right there. All right. In which road is the access to the property located, people? There's the access. It is in Acacia Street, Acacia Straat. Right. 24. The side of the new dwelling that faces Acacia Street will be called what? Okay, good question. Here is my property. According to the north arrow, that's north, south, east, and west. What elevation is facing Acacia Street? East elevation. Het ek nodig om te dink as jy hierdie goed antwoord? Nee. As jy selfvertroue het en jy kan lees, eerlikwaar, het jy nog nie nodig gehad om te dink en jy behoort al volpunte te hê al die pad tot nou. Alright. What is the depth of the municipal sewer connection? Again, people, it says there 3,000. They don't ask you it in meters, so you can just answer it as 3,000. What is the surface finish of the driveway proposed new dwelling? That is brick paving laid on well compacted fill. Nee, soos daar gespesifiseer. Alright. What does brick paving laid on well compacted fill? Alright. What does the line at 1 indicate? 1 is our manual, mangat. Number 2 is ons municipale rioolpyp, municipal sewer. 3 is our gate, ons hek. Jy kan ook sê swaai hek, nee, maar is 'n hek. Nummer 4 hier is ons kontoerlyne. Nummer 5 is wat? Oh, who can help me? What's number 5 there? It's the earth. Nee, die aard. Die aard. Weerlig afleier is ook 'n ander woord. Lightning conductor, but the earth. Alright. Then number 6 is a building line. Number 7 here, it's said to be the municipal distribution box. Municipale elektrische box. And then they ask, determine the perimeter of the new building in meters, show all calculations. They are making this so easy. We've got 9,190 times 16. Nee. So we've got 9,19 times 16. We're already doing it into meters so that I don't have stress and anxiety when answering this question. Oh, it's an omtrek. Oh, okay, so daai was oppervlakte. Omtrek is dan nou amper dieselfde 9.19 plus on the other side 9.19 plus 16 plus 16. You got that? So we're just counting all the different sides here. 9.19 plus 9.19 plus 16 equals, help me out. 50.38 meters. Happy with that one? Everybody agrees with me? Nobody mad at me. Determine the area of the new dwelling in square meters. So that's the 9.19 meters times 16 meters equals 147.07. Oh, okay, sorry. See, so that's a 4. Right. There we've done it. We've done the entire 3.2. We haven't even had any stress or anxiety because we are doing this with confidence. That's how you do a civil analytical. Now it's your turn.